Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the third part of the same topic, that is the cubes and cuboid. So now let us see the exercise. We have already done two parts. So that is 4C. So there it says that evaluate this, we can call it as cube root of 64. So cube root of 64 means what are you going to do? You will write here, we will take with the help of the factorization, let us factorize this one. So when you factorize, you always take the smaller number. That will be 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So now what are you going to do? We want the cube root of that. So whenever we want a cube root of that, so we can do one thing. We will divide it into three parts. So now can you see these all are 2's. We have 6 2's. So we can divide it into three parts. So this will be 4, this will be 4, 2 2's are 4, and this will be 4. So we can write this one as cube root of 4 into 4 into 4. So that is going to be cube root of 4 cube. So whenever we write this one, so why are you going to write here? When you want to remove the sign, this one. So this we usually write, because this is the cube root of, so we write here 1 by 3. So this and this goes off. So the answer is 4. Now let us see for 343. The factors for 343. So this goes directly with 7. So now what you can see, this is, we are getting directly 7 into 7 into 7 3 times. So this is going to be cube root of 7 cube. So this we can also write this as 7 cube, and we'll remove the, so that is going to be 7. So now let us look for 729. So we can write this one, because this is not possible with 2. We'll write try for 3. So 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So now again we will make a group here. So it should be here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we'll make a group of, here we can make, also we can make like this 3, and this one 3. So it should be, we'll write here 6. First now let us write here 3 into 3 into 3. That is 6 times. Then we are going to make a group of 3 3. So that is going to be 3 cube into 3 cube. So this, when we separate this one, so 3 cube is going to be, we can also make like this. So this and this goes off, this and this goes off. So that will be 3 into 3, and which is 9. So now let us write for 1 7 to 8. So this will go with 2. Again this goes with 2. This again goes with 2. So here, now this will be This should be with 3, sorry. Let me write it again here. This one, this is by 54. So now see here, so here 2 27s are, then 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So what will you write here? So these are all the factors. So how many 2s do we have? 6 2s. And we have 3. So now let us make a group of 3 because it is a cube. So that will be, so it should be here. This we can write here whenever the cube root of same here means that is going to be just 2. Again for this will be just 2 and here will be 3. We can write directly as well. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So that is going to be 12. So now let us see for 9261. So this will go with 3. Again this goes with 3. This again goes with 3. But now this is possible with 7. So what will you write here? All these factors. So that is going to be 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. So now, so this we can write it 3 cube into 7 cube. So that is going to be 3 into 7, which is 21. For this one, 4096. So it should be, it will go with 2. Two ones are. So how many 2s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can write here, so we can make a group of 3. So whenever we have, suppose we are just taking this part, so that is going to be just 2. So some for 2, so that is going to be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 is the answer. Now for 8000, this will be here 1000, 500, 250, 125. Now this will go with 5. So we have 6 2s. and 3 5s. So now let us make the group of 3. So that will be, so that should be 2 into 2 into 5. So that is going to be 20. Now let us see for 3375. So this is going to go with 5. So we have, so let us form group of 3. So it will be 3 into 5, which is 15. So now let us see here, this is negative 216. So now first let us take the factors of 216. So it is going to be 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So what we are going to write here, we can write this is negative 1. So we can write here first, we can also take negative 1 into negative 1 3 times into negative 1, and then you will take this 2 2s 3 times and 3 3 3 times. So see here, whenever there are 3 negative signs, 1, 2 and 3, so that is going to be negative. Odd number, wherever there is an odd number, that should be negative 1. If it is a even number, that is going to be positive. So now you can just write here, you can write minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is going to be minus 1, and 2 cube into 3 cube. So because you are going to make a group of 3. So here, that is going to be minus 1 into 2 into 3, which is minus 6. Actually, these are this can be done. You can take the factors of that. And again, you will do the same way what we have done for the question number 9, the previous one. Same for 11, also you can do the same. You can take the factors. I will show you 12, how to do question number 12. So now let us see. For 12, we can first, because this is in fraction, we'll separate it because cube is for both of them. The numerator and the denominator will separate it. So later on for 27, we can directly write because it's a small number. The factors are 3 into 3 into 3. That is, it is a 9, 9 is a 27. And for 64, we have seen in the start, that is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 is a 16, 16 4 is a 64. So we can write it directly. Or if you don't know, you can just do with the help of the prime factorization. So this can be written as 4 cube, and which will be 3 by 4. Same here. First we'll separate the numerator and denominator because the cube root is for both of them. So here for 125, the cube root means it is going to be 5 into 5 into 5. 5 is a 25, 25 is a, and for 216, it is going to be 6 into 6 into 6. 36, 36 6 are, that is 216. So we can write it directly over here. So that can be written as divided by, so that will be 5 by 6. So now let us see for this one. First we can write this separately. (125). So this can be written as, because we have minus, we'll write a -1 into 27. And here 125. So here again you can write here -1 into -1 into -1. And here for 27 you can write 3 into 3 into 3. Divided by cube root of 125, 5 into 5 into 5. So that can be directly written as, so you know this, the cube root of, you can also write like this. There are 3 times, so that will be -1 into 3. I'm sorry, for here we have to write the denominator. That is cube root of here 5 cube. So that should be -1 into 3 divided by 5, which is -3 by 5. Now let us write this one. We can write this as cube root of -64 divided by cube root of 43. So this is going to be so this can be written as into 4 into 4 into 4. Divided by cube root of 343, that will be 7 into 7 into 7. So that can be -1 into 4, because we are going to make a group of 3, divided by 7, that will be -4 by 7. So now here, this is going to be 4 into 4 into 4. And for 729, you can just have it, look at here, 729, you can just write here 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Again, this will go with 3 3 8s are 3, 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 3s we have. So you can write it over here. So now when we make it, divide it into groups, so that is going to be 4 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So that should be 4 into 3 into 3, that will be 36. So now here again 729 we have already seen, that is we have 6 3s. So we can write here directly. First we'll do one thing, we'll separate the numerator and the denominator because it is in fraction, and then we can write directly, that is we have 6 3s. We have already done for the previous one. And here we can do, because this is 10 into 10 into 10. So we can do one thing, we can write here, again that 10 can be written 2 into 5, or you can find the factors separately, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 and 2 into 5. So 2 is going to be 3 times and 5 is going to be 3 times. So this will be so that should be 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 5. So 9 by 10. So this one also is the same. Only the numbers are different. For this one, because it's minus, we will write here 3 times minus 1. And for 512, again we have seen in the start, there will be factors like it should be 9 times 2. Divided by, again this 343 should be 7 into 7 into 7. So that will be minus 1 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube divided by, so which is going to be minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by, this is going to be 7, which will be minus 8 by 7. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.